Today we're going to make these lovely trefoil earrings, and we're also going to make it into a pendant necklace as well. So what you will need is some jewelry making wire. This is 22 gauge wire. And to make it into a necklace, you'll need some jewelry making chain. You'll need a ruler, and you'll need beads. You need 3 beads as well. You'll need 2 earring hooks for each earring. You'll need a pack of jump rings, these open. You'll need a lobster clasp for the necklace. You'll need bail pliers, sometimes called barrel pliers. You need flush cutters. You need chain nose pliers, round nose pliers, flat nose pliers. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, and please like and share the video. Now, first thing is we've got our jewelry making wire, and measure 5 inches. Turn the ruler around 5 inches. This is for each one. 5 inches. Then get your cutter like that and give it a cut. So now we've got 5 inches of wire. And now what we're going to do is pick up the wire and place it inside the bail pliers. So I've placed it inside. Placed it inside, and then I'm going to gently turn it around to form the loop. I'm going to form the loop. So the first step should look like that. Like a P. Like a P shape. I'm going to turn this ply around. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to go back in, and you see like that. We're back in. Show you like, let's go. I think I'll put it right at the end there. So we've gone back in, and the wire is down here. So we're going to take the wire and wrap it right mat round, forming another loop, and bring it right around. Take it out. So you look like you got B. Yeah, it looks like a B, doesn't it? A B letter. Okay. Turn it back round like so, like that. Pick up your bail plier again and nest it. Turn it round here. Going to be there. It's going to sit on there like that. Once you've got it like that, you're going to take the wire underneath and turn it right around, and then take it off, and then bring it all the way round like that. So it should look something like that. If it's a bit out of place, you can just kind of adjust it. I'll just adjust it a bit. I think I'll just pick up my flat nose pliers and just kind of straighten it a bit up there. And then flatten this bit and pull this up. Just do a little bit of adjustment. So it should look like this. It's trefoil design at the bottom, and then this bit straight up here. And the next thing is you're going to take the bead of your choice. I think I'll try gold. And just slide it on. So it's sitting on like that, yeah? And what I did before is have a bit of paper, and I measured it to 0.5 centimetre. So what I do next is pick up your round nose pliers, which are these. And the round nose pliers, I put a bit of Tipex there because that's the size of the loop I want it to be. So I put me round nose pliers there. And then I pick up my bit of paper because I want it to be that kind of size. Oops. I want it kind of be this size because I make some loops, about 4 wraps I want it to be. So then you see the wire at the top here, move it round like that, right around, so that should, well, sort of look like a P. like that, so it should sort of look like a P there. And then pick up either your chain nose or your flat nose pliers and do your first wrap. Right, so after I've done my wrap, I like to pick up me round nose pliers again and go in and make the loop a bit more round. You can see, try and round the loop a bit before I continue wrapping. So I'm going to wrap about four times. Can you see that wrap there? Oh, yeah, I've wrapped it about 4 times there because I want it to look as equal as this other one. So I'm going to wrap slowly, keeping the coils near to each other, and just wrap them. Don't wrap too tight because they'll break. Just do a slow little wrap. It might get a bit tighter actually the more you wrap. So I've just got room for one more wrap. So I've wrapped it about 4 times. Because I want it to try and be as equal as the other one. I wrapped it around 4 times, so try and make it as equal as the other one as possible. And so we don't want this bit here, do we? So what we're going to do is pick up our flush cutters and we're going to go next to it and cut off. Now be careful, hold this bit, because that piece of wire is going to fly. So I hold that bit and I cut it. So we've cut off that piece and just tucking in that little piece that we got underneath. So now that it's completed, the next thing we're going to do is pick up our air wire, pick up your round nose pliers, and then just open it like that. Pop it on, and then pick up your chain nose, or I think I prefer me flat nose pliers, and bring it in. Hold the bead because the bead's there. You don't want it to slide in the hole. So just bring it together. If you can see, yeah, I'm bringing it together. I'm closing it. I've got my thumb holding that bead, and I'm just bringing it in until it's closed. So there we got the nice earring, looking lovely. So if you want to make the necklace, just pull out the necklace to the length of your choice, and then pick up your flush cutters and just cut the chain to your choice. Cut it a bit hard. Cut it like that. And then pick up your jump ring. Got me jump ring here. Pick up your pliers. You need your chain nose pliers and your flat nose pliers, and then bring it like that and open it across, so it's open like that, and then place that onto your Then place that onto your charm, put the chain inside of the charm, and then close it back, bringing it together like that. So it should be like that. Then the next thing is, all you need to do is put jump rings on both sides. I like to put one larger one and one smaller one. So got my choice of jump rings here. I like to get one bigger one and one smaller one out. Then open it, use my hand and open it. Get one side of the chain, get it in the hole. Yeah, it's got in. And then close it. If it's your thumb, then you can just pick up your chain nose pliers and bring it together like that until it's closed, and give it a little press there. And then I like to get out my lobster clasp and open another jump ring the same way, and then thread it on to the lobster clasp. Look like that. And pick up the other side of the necklace. No, the other side of the chain that's got nothing on it. And then hook it on. And then close it. Either use my thumb and close it like that. So it's nice and closed. It should look like that. One end, the other end. Your necklace and the earrings. I've used two different types of beads, so you can just see what one that I've got. Just like using different beads. So there's the earring and there's the necklace. Another bead here. So I love experimenting with all different colour beads. Got some other beads here. So I'll link down another fun video that you can make.